Right, time for another video. This one is about my maintenance packages. I just wanted to produce a short video to show you the value what they can bring. I will forewarn you, I'm not going to add a blooper section to the end of this one. I'm just going to leave it rolling, keep it real, and hopefully I won't fluff my lines too much in what I'm trying to get across. So I hope you enjoy it. Maintenance packages, what are they? It's one of my most popular services. Basically, it is something that I provide whereby I would keep your vehicle in tip-top condition throughout the year. It starts with an initial deep clean. So the first visit, I would give your vehicle a thorough wet wash. Once that's been completed, I will remove any embedded contamination from the paintwork, which will then leave it safe for machine polishing. With this stage, what my goal is to really increase the depth, the shine and the clarity of your paintwork. It's not paint correction, but it will vastly improve the appearance of your vehicle. If you want to add paint correction, that's something that can be done, but it's a bolt-on extra. The best bet is to get in contact with me about that and I'll go through it. As standard, you get the gloss enhancement. Once that's been done, I need to trap in that shine, so all the external surfaces of your vehicle, the wheels, the trim, the paintwork and the glass will all be protected. I'll then move onto the interior of your vehicle, where it's going to be, every surface will be steam cleaned, dusted down, thoroughly vacuumed through. The carpets, the mats, any upholstery will be shampooed and extracted. The leather will be deep cleaned and have a protection cream gently massaged in to help prevent stains, spills and obviously provide UV protection. All hard surfaces, your dashboard, your centre console, your door cards, etc. will also get UV protection. So there's a brief outline of what the initial deep clean involves, and it's going to bring it to a standard what I'm happy with. Once that's been completed, you're then eligible to hop onto the maintenance visits. The maintenance visits, there's no contract, you can stop whenever you wish. The only stipulation I have is to stay on the package, you must have a visit every 4 weeks. I say 4 weeks because I feel anything more than that, it's not a maintenance clean, it requires more time and more work. So on my maintenance plan you have your initial visit and then you're going to have 11 other visits throughout the year whereby I'm going to come and return your vehicle back to the initial deep clean level and top up protection as and when needed. The initial clean is a minimum of 5 hours, but it could be up to a full day depending on the condition of your vehicle and its size, etc. The maintenance visits I allocate 2 hours. Now if your vehicle is excessively dirty, let's say it's covered in pet hair and we go over that time, 2 hours is more than enough for me to bring the vehicle back. So obviously if it's excessively dirty and we've gone over that 2 hour time frame, there would be additional charges involved with that. So that's basically the maintenance package. It's simple. The benefits are, A, you've got a professional maintaining your vehicle throughout the year. So if you come to sell your vehicle, you know you're going to get maximum resale value back. You don't have to spend your valuable time maintaining your vehicle yourself. You know, when you've been at work all week, do you really want to spend a full day on a weekend, let's say, or a few hours cleaning your car? I include free scratch removal, or if I can't remove the scratch, I will reduce the scratch for anybody on this package. That in itself is a great benefit. It will save you a lot of money should that unfortunate event ever happen to yourself. So there's a few benefits there of you having a maintenance plan. It's very cost effective. Like I say, the initial deep clean is more expensive because of the time involved, but then the subsequent visits obviously are greatly reduced because I'm allocating 2 hours per visit. I can't really give you the pricing on camera because I don't know what vehicle you've got and I don't know what condition it's in. So if you're interested in this, please get in contact. Ideally, if you can send me some pictures, that would be great. And I can give you a ballpark figure of the initial deep clean, and then we can go through, when I know what vehicle you've got, the pricing for the weekly visits, 4 weekly visits. So you'll find it's a very cost-effective service. It's one of my most popular. Customers come back time and time again. The ways you can pay, most people will pay as you go. So when the job's complete, you pay upon completion for each visit, and then you can pre-book in advance for your next visit. So again, because you're booking ahead of my lead time for most jobs, you have the flexibility and the option to choose what days and times suit you best. Which is another great perk. If you want your car cleaned on a Friday so it's clean all weekend, then obviously you can pre-book the Fridays throughout the year. You've got that slot in the diary. You can also pay up front. I have a few customers that pay for the full year all in one go. Should you choose to do that, so you're paying for your initial deep clean and all the others all in one, there are further discounts available for that. I hope this video has made it clear as you know what value this can bring to you, time saving, and obviously to your car, having it maintained by a professional. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and give us a share around all your friends and family. It does help us out so much. If you're interested, just get in contact with me. That'd be fantastic. I'm happy to walk you through any options. If you need to know anything, you know, I'd love to hear from you. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I didn't fluff it too much.